In this video, I am taking up three cases on case study on arithmetic progression. So let us see those three cases. When a case is there, you got to read the matter which is given, find out what is given in the thing, and then proceed with the questions are below. Now, this the first case study. See this, India is a competitive manufacturing location due to low cost of manpower and strong technical and engineering capabilities contributing to high quality production runs. The production of TV sets in a factory increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. It produced 16,000 sets in 6 years and 22,600 in 9 years. Okay. So, what is the information given? In 6 years, the production is 16,000 sets of TV, and in 9 years, they have produced 22,600. Now, see the questions here. What is the production during the first year? So, let's begin with the first question. What is the production during the first year? So, here what we is given A6, that is, on the sixth year, what was the production? A6 is given as 16,000. On the ninth year, the production is 22,600. So, that is A9 is 22,600. He wants you to find the production during the first year. That means you need to calculate A1. So A6 is equal to A1 plus 6 minus 1D. A6 is 16,000. So 16,000 is equal to A plus 5D. Let this be your first equation. The second case, A9. So A9 is equal to A plus 91 minus 1D. 22,600 is equal to A plus 8D. This is your second equation. Subtract the first from the second. So that is, you are writing this first and subtracting this first one from that. So 22,600 minus 16,000 is equal to 8 plus A plus 8D minus A plus 5D. When you subtract this, you get 6,600 is equal to A minus A cancels. 8D minus 5D is 3D. So 6,600 is equal to 3D. So D is 2,200. So let's put D, that is 2,200, in the first equation. That is this equation. So 16,000 is equal to A plus 5 into 2,200. So A is equal to 16,000 minus 11,000. That is 5,000 sets. So in the first year, the production was 5,000 sets. Now see the next question. Find the production during the 8th year. During the 8th year means you need to calculate A8. A8 is what? A plus 8 minus 1D. So A we have already calculated as 5,000. So let's put that value as 5,000 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. And D you have also calculated as 2,200. Put that value 2,200. So you get 5 plus 15,400. So that is 20,400 sets were produced during the 8th year. Okay. Now let's take the third question. Find the production during first 3 years. Now see the previous question and this question. Find the production during the 8th year, and next is find the production during the first 3 years. That means here he wants you to find what was the production of the 3 years, that is the first year plus second year plus third year. So that means sum of the productions of the 3 years. So you know the first year production was 5,000. Difference is every year is 2,200, and number of years 3 years. We want the sum of the 3 years. So Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is n? N is 3. So let's put 3 upon 2 bracket 2 into a is 5,000 plus 3 minus 1 into 2d 2200. 3 by 2. Now you see here 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is common. Take out 2 common. 5000 plus 2200. This 2 and this 2 they cancel. So 3 into 7200, that is 21,600 sets. So in the 3 years time, first year, second year, third year, total they manufactured 21,600 sets. Now let's go to the fourth question. In which year the production is 29,200? Which year? That means a particular year is given. So that means AN is given as 29,200. You have to find how many years it has taken to get that number. So AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1D. So 29,200 is equal to 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 2,200. So if you 29,000, this is equal to 5,000 plus 2,200 into N is 2,200 N minus 2,200. Let's subtract 5,000 minus 2,200, you'll get 2,800 plus 2,200 N. Take this 2,200 to the left side. 29,200 minus 2,800 is 2,200 N. So N is equal to 26,400 divided by 2,200, that is 12 years. On the 12th year, the production was 29,200. That is so on the 12th year, from the year of start, on the 12th year, the production goes to 29,200. Now, the question number 5, what is the difference of the production during the 7th year and the 4th year? That means, what was the production during 7th year means A7, production during the 4th year is A4. That difference you want, so it is nothing but A7 minus A4. How do you write A7? A7 is written as A plus 7 minus 1 into D, minus A4 is written as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Let's simplify, open this bracket. So it becomes A plus 6D minus A minus 3D. Plus A minus A cancels. 6D minus 3D is 3D. That is equal to 3 into D calculate value is 2,200. Multiply that, you get 6,600. So the difference between the production between the 4th year and the 7th year is 6,600 sets. Okay. I think this is clear. This is a case study. So now let's go to take the second case. So the second case is, let's read what is given, what is the situation. First understand that. Your friend Veer wants to participate in a 200 meters race. He has currently run that distance in 51 seconds. And with each day of practice, it takes him 2 seconds less. He wants to do in 31 seconds. Okay. Question asks us, which of the following are terms in the arithmetic progression? What is the minimum number of days he needs to practice to achieve his goal? Which of the following terms is not an AP, not in the AP? Nth term of an AP is given as this. Find the common difference. The value of x for which this 2x, x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are consecutive terms. So let's take the first question. Which of the following terms are in AP for the given situation? Now what is the situation? The beginning, he starts with 51 seconds. So let's take the first term as 51. Next day, he reduces his and is able to reduces by 2 seconds, and that means the second day it is 51 minus 2. Third day again it reduces by 2 more, so it becomes 51 minus 4, and so on. So that means your first term is 51, second term is 49, third term is 47, and so on. If you see this, your answer is B set. B option is your answer. The answer is B option. Second one. What is the minimum number of days he needs to practice till his goal is reached, achieved? Now, what is his goal? Goal is 31 seconds. He wants to complete 200 meters in 31 seconds. What is his present speed? It is 51 seconds he is taking. So that means A1 is 51 and his goal, that means AN is 31. And what is the difference each day? It is -2. It is decreasing by 2. It is, that's why, because it is decreasing, we put -2. Now, AN formula is AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into T. 31 is equal to 51 plus N minus 1 into -2. 31 is equal to 51 minus 21 plus 2. So 2n is equal to 53 minus 3n. N is equal to 11 days. So our option is C option. So answer is C, 11 days it takes to come down to a speed of 31 seconds. Third question. Which of the following term is not in the AP of the given situation? Now we are given 4 options. So let us see. Our starting time was 51 seconds. Keep reducing 2 seconds every time. It becomes 51, 49, 47, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, 31. So if you see here, the next will be 29. That means if you see these options, you have got 41 in your system, 37 is there, 39 is also there, 30 is not there. That means 30 is not in the progression. Your answer is B option, 30. Okay. Fourth question. Nth term of the AP is given by AN is equal to 2n plus 3. Then common difference of an AP is, now AN is given as 2n plus 3. If you want to find A1, that is the first term, put n is equal to 1. So A1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3. That is 2 plus 3 is 5. That means your first term is 5. Now calculate second term. Put n is equal to 2 now. So 2 into 2 plus 3. That is 4 plus 3 is 7. So your second term is 7. He has asked us to calculate common difference. And common difference is nothing but A2 minus A1. That is 7 minus 5. That is 2. The common difference is 2. Okay. Now, the fifth question. The value of x for which 2x, x plus 10, 3x plus 2 are 3 consecutive terms of arithmetic progression. 3 consecutive terms means one after the other. That means they have a common difference. So D is A2 minus A1. A2 is what? X plus 10. A1 is 2x. Let's subtract these two. And x plus 10 minus 2x. Okay. And what is the difference? I've already calculated. Yeah, so every day it is decreasing by 2. So it is minus 2. D is minus 2 is equal to x plus 10 minus 2x. So minus 2 is equal to 10. X minus 2x is minus x. Let us take this side. So you will get x is equal to 12 by 2. That is 6. So the value of x here is 6. So which is that option? A option. So answer is 6. This was your case study number 2. And let's go for the third case study. Case study number 3. Now let's consider here. See, first let us read the situation. Your elder brother wants to buy a car and plans to take a loan from a bank for his car. He repays his total loan of rupees 1,18,000 by paying every month, starting with the first installment of rupees 1,000. If he increases the installment by rupees 100 every month, answer the following question. So these are the questions. So you just can go through the questions. We'll start dealing one by one. Amount. Okay. See the first question now. Amount paid by him in 30th installment. 30th installment means on the 30th month, what was the amount he is paying? That is the meaning. Amount paid in the 30th installment means on the 30th month, the amount he pays. That means you have to calculate AN. How much is paying for the first month? 1,000 rupees. Every month, year is increasing by 100. So how many installments? 30 installments. So N is 30. AN formula A1 plus N minus 1D. 1,000 plus 30 minus 1D. That is 1,000 plus 29 into 100. So your answer is 3,900. So he on the 30th month is paying 3,900. Question 2. Amount paid by him in the 30 installments. So see this question now. Amount paid by him in the 30 installments means from the first installment up to 30 installments, what is the total amount he has paid? That is the difference here. See the previous question. Amount paid by him in 30th installment. Amount paid by him in 30 installments. So here he is expecting you to calculate the total amount, the amount which he has paid from first month to 30th month. So here we are calculating SN. Now, what is the first installment amount? A is 1,000. What is the difference every month? 100 rupees is increasing, so D is 100. For how many months? 30 months. SN formula. SN is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1D. So 30 upon 2, 2 into 1,000 plus 30 minus 1 into D. That is 100. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. 2 into 1,000, 2,000 plus 29 into 100, 2,900. 2,900 plus 2,000 is 4,900. Multiplying with 15, you will get 73,500. That means for first 30 months total he has paid 73,500. Which is this option? B option. So B is your correct answer. Third question. What amount does he have to pay after 30th installment? Means after having paid for 30 months, how much is the balance is left? Now, what is the total loan amount? Total loan amount is 1,18,000. How much is the amount he has paid in 30 installment? The previous question answer. That is 73,500. So how much amount is left after 30 installment? That means 1,18,000 minus 73,500. That means he still has to pay 44,500. 44,500, which is this option? C option. So your answer is C. Okay. Now let's take the next question. If the total installments are 40, amount paid in the last installment means on the 40th month, how much he is actually paying. The first month, 1,000 rupees. Every month is increasing by 100 rupees. How many months? 40 months. N is 40. The AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1D. 1,000 plus 40 minus 1 into 100. Get this 1,000 plus 3,900. So 4,900. So on the 40th month, that is the last month of his installment, he has to pay 4,900. That is the first option, A option. So 4,900 is the amount which is paying on the 40th installment. The fifth case question, the ratio of the first installment to the last installment. First installment divided by 40th installment. First installment, how much he has paid? 1,000 rupees. What is the 40th installment? Just now we have calculated 4,900. Put it down. Zeros will cancel. So 10 is to 49. So the ratio of the first installment to last installment is 10 is to 49. So answer is option B. Okay. So with this we have taken up 3 case studies. I think this could be useful to you. So since what we suggest is, since you are having 15 minutes reading time, you read these case studies properly, understand them, and use that 15 minutes to understand the case studies. And the moment you start studying it, finish up with the case studies. So that could be faster and you wouldn't be wasting any time and you'll be able to finish. So I think you'll like this. If you have liked it, please click on the subscribe button and the like button and click on the bell so that you will keep receiving such things. In case you have got doubt, my number is given here. Please, please call on this number to clear any doubts. So with that, thank you.